My name is Blazin' Bill, and I am a monster truck. I can jump very high. Look, I think Max the train is counting the numbers. Let's go see. Hi, Max.
Hi, Blazin' Bill. Okay, numbers. Let's start counting to make sure everyone is here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where is number 10?
I'm here. I'm stuck on the top shelf.
Oh no! What are we going to do? How can we help the number 10?
Max, I think I can help number 10. Let's build a ramp, and I will jump on top of that shelf to rescue him.
Great idea, Bill. Okay, let's go find some blocks to build the ramp.
I haven't found anything yet.
That's okay, Zero.
Look, Max! I found one block.
Great!
The number 2 found 2 blocks.
I see 3 blocks.
Look, here are 4 blocks by the paint.
Over here! I found 5 blocks.
Look, 6 blocks are on the shelves.
The number 7 and I found 7 blocks.
I see 8 blocks on the truck. We are almost finished.
And I bumped into 9 blocks.
Great! Let's build the ramp. 1, 1, 2.
1, 2, 3. Let me try.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We are almost done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh no! We don't have enough ramp height.
Look, I see 10 more blocks you can use.
Thank you, number 10. 8, 9, 10. Okay, Bill. Let's try again.
Thank you, Bill.
Now we have all the numbers. It is getting late. Bill, can you do one more jump?
Yes.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.